I don't feel like I'm coming to work. I'm coming to be with my extended family. I think that bond that we have is they feel the way about this hotel as I do. It is their home away from home. They want to come to work, they want to do a good job, and most importantly, they want to please the guest. We're going to have a good time doing what we do, and we're going to make the best of it. We take initiative to learn who our guests are. We want these guests that come into our hotel to feel like they're part of our family. We engage with them, we learn about them. Not only myself, but my entire staff will engage with these families. We also like to greet the guests as they come in, but we also want to greet their pet as they come in as well too. I am so glad that Home2 Suites allows pets, and they need a place where they can run safely and enjoy themselves. So having a dog park was one of the best investments I believe we could have done here at our Home2 Suites. Going that extra mile, informing the guests of what all we do allow for dogs and what we have for the dogs. We let them know that they're a part of our family. February of 2021, we had an ice storm that came through the DFW airport area. So many homes were without power, and we were fortunate enough to still have power. We went to 100% occupancy in a matter of 5 hours. People were just coming and coming and coming. I'm not going to let them go outside and stay in the cold. We opened our lobby up to whoever came to that door to get them out of the cold. The Abelman family, they're one of my families that came to the hotel.
I remember I was in the car and my husband came over here and he wanted a room, but it was packed. And Mike told him, we can stay in the lobby.
Every day, this family comes in and thanks us for our hospitality and being able to accommodate them when nobody else was able.
The first night, you will think it's gonna be only one night and that's it. But the second day, we found out that our house was flooded and we had to find a place to stay. And that place was Home2 Suites. Home2 and Mike helped us find a home away from home. We didn't know that we're gonna have 2.5 years here, but thank God we've been here.
We want our Home2 Suites guests to remember that this was once their home. They may have gone, but I think they'll always remember us for one reason or another. We won't be forgotten.